'cause I know that I need to be happy too. And then things turn to dust when I've left just to mess.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my favorite vegan pancakes. These are very simple to make. They're so delicious, made with whole food, plant-based ingredients. So you're going to feel good eating them, and they're just this really indulgent, guilt-free food. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's jump right in.
When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call.
So the first thing that you're going to do is make a flax egg, and this is done by taking 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed and 2.5 tablespoons of water. This is a great alternative to regular eggs, and it gives the pancakes a really great consistency and allows them to rise. You can also do a chia egg. I just prefer flax eggs. So you do this step first because it needs some time to thicken up. So I just mix this together and then set it aside while I mix my dry ingredients. So once my flax egg is done, I'm going to mix my dry ingredients. So I used whole wheat flour for this recipe. This is actually the first time that I used whole wheat flour, and I was very afraid that it was going to be too dense, but it turned out wonderful. So it's just a different consistency than the times that I've used gluten-free flour or just regular unbleached flour. But I mix that with my coconut sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And then I just mix these dry ingredients together gently. Next, we're going to make our vegan buttermilk, and this is done by combining a plant milk of your choice. I always choose almond milk and apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar acts to sort of thicken up the plant milk, and it does really well in baking recipes.
When you call my name, make me lose my game.
The apple cider vinegar that I use is by the brand Brandless. And it is just really great. I really like it. It's organic, raw, and unrefined. So I just mix that together to form my buttermilk.
Make me lose my game when you call my name.
So once that's mixed together, I added in my melted coconut oil. And by this time our flax egg is ready, so we add that in next. And as you can see here, it's thickened up nicely, and this is the consistency that you're going for. And then we're just going to mix the flax egg with our buttermilk and coconut oil mixture. And then once this is mixed together, it's going to go in our dry ingredients. The next thing I'm going to do is take my spatula and make a little groove in the center of my dry ingredients. And this is where I'm going to pour my wet ingredients. And then you're just going to mix everything together, and just be sure that you don't overmix your batter. You want to get most of the lumps out, but you'll probably still have a few in there, and that's okay. You just want to be sure that you're under mixing, if anything.
I could be who you want, 'cause I know that I need to be happy too.
And then I just put some olive oil on my pan and let that heat up. You want it to get hot before you put your batter on, because that's going to just help them cook more efficiently. And I want to show you the butter that I use. This is my favorite vegan plant-based butter, and I do choose the red version, which is soy-free. And then you have your delicious pancakes. And I also wanted to let you guys know that all the ingredients and the measurements will be in the description box below for you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe video. I had so much fun filming it. These are definitely my favorite go-to pancakes. Whole food, plant-based ingredients that are going to keep you fueled throughout the day. You can easily make these gluten-free if you need to. It's already refined sugar-free because we're using the coconut sugar. And these are just so good. I really hope that you try them. If you do, and if you recreate these, post a picture and tag me in it, because I would love to see your recreations, and I hope you love them as much as I do. They're just wonderful, especially for that slow weekend morning. So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, as it really supports my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!